What's up, people? It's your boy Stan, back again. I know it's been a while, y'all been waiting for the videos and whatnot. The year ended kind of rough for me, but you know what I mean, it's all good because it's starting back up. My car got into an accident. My car was at the shop, still didn't pick it up yet, it's not ready. Lost my great grandma, RIP, my great grandma. I just had a lot of things going on, and I know y'all been waiting for the videos and whatnot, and you know, just want to let y'all know that I'm back again, and you know what I mean, we're gonna go harder and harder. Got some good stuff coming up for y'all, and I just want to say real quick, I mean, 4 months ago, you know, I started doing these videos, and you know, it was just for the fun of it, and come to find out, you know, people actually are enjoying the videos, like especially stuff. I mean, Haitian parents said people love the video. And you know, we started doing this, so I'm like, oh, I'm gonna keep doing this, man, because you know, 4 months we have over 8,000 views on YouTube, 125 subscribers. I mean, I know it doesn't sound like much, but I mean, I'm grateful because these are people that actually watch and like and support what I do. And the StanBayBlag t-shirts, I know y'all been asking about them as well. If you go on the website, it's www.StanBayBlag.com. That's StanBayBlag.com. You know, just check it out right here. The links is right below. You can see it right there. You know what I mean? Just go check out that website and become a member on the website as well. Because what I'm gonna start doing is, you know, do some like, you know, t-shirts giveaway. We're gonna have some talk on there, on the website and whatnot, on the blog, and you know, pictures from like different events or just crazy pictures. And on Facebook, if you look for the group, just call it StanBayBlag, StanBayBlag on Facebook. On Instagram, look me up on Instagram as well. Instagram, you just type in StanBayBlag, you'll find me there. On Twitter, StanBayBlag is the same thing. So if you're not connected, it ain't me, it's you. But again, I just want to thank you all for, you know, watching the videos and supporting. And just remember, just keep watching and subscribing, and I thank you for all your comments, your love, because I'm telling you, real quick, it's not a joke, but funny story. I went down to see City Place with a friend, and you know, these girls came up to me like, yo, you know, StanBayBlag, right? I'm like, yeah, and they actually recognized me, and these were like some, you know, American girls, you know what I mean, they're not even Haitian. And they're like, yo, I like your videos, you know, I don't know what you're saying and whatnot, but you know, I love the videos and whatnot. So that being said, I know you guys also have been waiting for the English videos. Trust me, prepare yourself, like you're gonna have some crazy good videos coming up. So every Friday, be on the lookout. We'll have some videos posted, you know what I mean, on Fridays. So until then, and I'm gonna go ahead and keep watching, keep subscribing. I thank y'all for the love. God bless, peace out, deuces. If you not set, man, you heard?
Yeah, you know your boom boom turn up. Oh.